This is Robert Rotberg, Precinct 3 Town Meeting Member and Chair of the Historical Commission. And I want to present Article 25, which asks for a small change in the demolition delay bylaw. The Lexington Historical Commission is charged with maintaining the historical character of the town. That includes attempting to minimize the impact of mansionization by encouraging homeowners and developers to consider renovations and reconfigurations rather than the wholesale destruction of existing historically significant houses. The commission therefore holds hearings on proposed single-family or larger scale proposed demolitions, and when the existing dwelling is historically important, rejects immediate teardowns in favor of a multi-month delay. That delay is imposed by the commission to encourage homeowners and developers to find workable ways of repurposing and saving the existing structure. However, our only enforcing instrument, the 12-month mandatory delay, is no longer serving the town well. The Historical Commission therefore now asks town meeting to approve a simple change from 12 to 21 months in the delaying mechanism. Milton imposes a 24-month delay. Brookline, Newton, Somerville, and about 18 other towns and cities have upgraded their delay periods to 18 months. Adding 9 months to our demolition delay powers will give developers and homeowners extra time to reconsider renovation versus destruction. At present, and as our considerable research shows, for much of the past decade, 12 months was hardly any impediment to developers because of the need anyway to raise building funds in a brisk market. Moreover, because houses cost so much more in Lexington than they did a decade ago, waiting for the demolition delay to expire has proven no more than a part of the cost of doing business. In support of our proposed improvement is the Lexington Next Comprehensive Plan report, with its recommendation that the demolition delay bylaw be extended urgently. In its hearings, a full 2-year delay was suggested. The Historical Commission is now requesting a 21-month delay. And let me add that the demolition of buildings bylaw applies to buildings listed on the National Register of Historic Places or Lexington's own cultural resources inventory. These are the places, the houses that have been determined to be significant in terms of style, method of construction, or association with an architect, person, or critical event. The listing on the inventory delays a house's demolition to permit efforts to preserve or relocate these buildings. The next report, the comprehensive plan report, includes a thorough discussion of the town's overall needs in this regard, with many other helpful recommendations. About 2,000 Lexington houses are on the inventory. The Historical Commission requests an affirmative vote from town meeting for an improved demolition delay bylaw. Thank you.